Hi guys, welcome to TechCatAssist, and this video I want to show you how you can open PDF forms. Some of the PDF forms online require you to open them in Adobe Reader or something else rather than your browser. So for example, I have here a form on the website which is the workbooksrelations.ie. That's one of the Irish websites that I have the forum online. In other places you might find the forums on the universities, some colleges, they have a forums online that you might get an error. I'm going to show you the error, okay? So if I click on the form, I'm getting an error. This document you're trying to load requires Adobe Reader 8 or higher. But I have Adobe Reader, so if you guys have your Adobe Reader installed on your computer, it means that Google Chrome is trying to open and it has a problem to view the form. So, and I'm gonna show you the same thing on the Edge. So, when I click here, Workers Relation Complaint Form, click on that, and there you go. The same message comes up here. Document I'm trying to load requires Adobe Reader and 8 and higher, but I have Adobe Reader, as I said. It is a problem with the browser. So, to fix this, I'm gonna go to Google Chrome settings. So I'm gonna show you now, okay? So if I'm going to go back, I'm gonna just go back to this page, okay? And I'm going to right hand side, three dots, settings. Okay, then on the left hand side, go to privacy and security. Okay, then here you go, site settings. I'll click on that. Scroll down to the very bottom, and then you have an option, additional content settings. And then this is the option, PDF documents. If you click on that, you see here the option here is showing open PDFs in Chrome. So that's why Chrome has a problem to view the form, because it's trying to open it and it cannot see the functions of the form. So what I'm gonna click on, I'm gonna download. Okay, so instead of opening Chrome, it's gonna download, and I'm gonna try to open in Adobe Reader. So if I go back to that now, go back to complaint form, click on that. See, it's trying to download on the desktop. I'm gonna click save. So now it's downloading, and if I click on the form, it will open for me in Adobe Reader. Okay, and then I can fill the form and I can set the form. So as I said, this is an example form, but you might get something like that on your college, university, some government pages as well. This is actually government page as well, so one of the forms that cannot be read by Google Chrome or Edge browser. Okay, so I'm just gonna close this now. So as you can see now, if of course you have to check if you have Adobe Reader. Okay, if you don't have Adobe Reader, just Google it, and then if you just download, see here option Adobe Reader, Acrobat Reader, or actually if you click on that one, the Adobe Reader free app, download. Click on that, download this one, yeah. The Acrobat Pro is the one that you can edit PDFs, but just to view them, just click on Reader. Okay, no, so that's gonna ask you to install McAfee Security. Don't do that, and it's just gonna mess up your system. So just go that download and don't click on that. So now it's gonna ask you to save the file. Okay, on the top right hand side you can just click on it, and then pop-up window will ask you to accept to run it as administrator, and now it's gonna install in the background. Of course you can close this stuff. So that's installing now for me on the right hand side. Actually this is installed for me already. You can close this down. Okay, so this is in Google Chrome. So you have installed your Adobe Reader. You have the form. You have a form that you cannot read on the Google Chrome, but now let's do it in Edge. Okay, so when I go to Edge and I go back to the same form, click on it, the same error message comes up for me. Okay, so what I'm gonna do on Edge, right hand side, three dots, and then settings. Okay, on the left hand side there's a search here, so just put PDF. And if you scroll down, there is an option here, PDF documents. Okay, here. Click on that. Now the option here to tick is always download PDF files. Okay, if you click on that, that will change the settings there. And if you go back to the form, and I'm gonna refresh the page, you can just press F5 to refresh the page. Okay. And it's now downloading. You see here on the right hand side, it didn't actually do anything here. It's just downloading for me here. So just gonna click open file. And in a second that should open for me in in Adobe Reader. There you go. Okay, so that's how you can change that. So if you're getting this message, it means that your browser can't read it, cannot open it, cannot read the functions. So you just need to make sure that your browser, Google Chrome or Edge, is actually downloading the form instead of trying to open it, okay? And then you can open it in in free software, Adobe Reader, that you can download from the internet. Just Google it, okay? So guys, if you liked the video, just please press the like button, of course subscribe to my channel, and thanks very much, and yeah, see you later, take care, bye bye.